Interior designers reveal the best ways to decorate a windowless room. Trapped in a room with no windows, no sunlight, no views, just walls. Yeah, we've all been there. Maybe it's that guest bedroom in the basement, or a kitchen tucked away in the middle of the floor plan, or worse, a bathroom that feels like a dimly lit closet. And the first instinct? Panic. How do you make a space feel open when there's literally zero natural light to work with? But here's the thing. A windowless room isn't a design death sentence. In fact, these spaces can be some of the coziest, most creatively designed rooms in a home, if you know the right tricks. Interior designers have faced these spaces again and again, and guess what? They've cracked the code. Moody little powder rooms, basement bedrooms, and kitchens that never see a single ray of sunlight can still feel fresh, open, and full of life with the right design choices. You don't need a window to create a vibe. You just need the right design moves to fake it brilliantly. Let's get into it. Tips that actually work. Mirror magic, the OG illusion. Start with mirrors, big ones, decorative ones, even mirrored furniture if you're feeling bold. In a bedroom, go for floor-length leaning mirror. In a bathroom, try mirrored tiles or a framed vintage one. They open up the space, bounce light, and trick the brain into thinking there's depth. Layer your light like you mean it. Windowless rooms are all about creating your own sun. Think overheads, table lamps, sconces, LED strips behind shelves, even a backlit mirror for a dreamy glow in the bathroom. It's like turning on your own golden hour. Light colors equals open vibes. Dark tones can look beautiful, but in a room with no natural light, they can swallow the space. For a softer, more open feel, go with creamy whites, soft blushes, dusty blues, or sage greens. These tones reflect artificial light and instantly lift the mood, especially helpful in narrow kitchens or small studies where every inch counts. Curtains with zero windows? Yep. Hear this. Hanging curtains on a blank wall works. In bedrooms, it adds a cozy feel. In bathrooms, it softens hard tile lines. And in living rooms, it frames the wall so well, people might actually ask where the window is. Go big on art. A large piece of artwork can do what a window can't, make the space feel alive. Try abstract pieces in kitchens, vintage-inspired art in bathrooms, or a gallery wall in a hallway. Just one big canvas can become the view your room never had. Keep the furniture airy and light. Bulky furniture will make a windowless room feel even more boxed in. Instead, go for pieces with open legs, glass tops, or lighter finishes. Acrylic chairs in a small dining area or a cane headboard in a bedroom can keep things feeling breezy. Consider your flooring carefully. Here's an underrated design move. Flooring can make or break the mood in a windowless room. Think light. White oak, pale tiles, soft-toned vinyl, and even marble can help bounce light around and make the space feel airier. Marble, especially in soft whites or creamy neutrals, not only reflects light but adds that luxe vibe instantly. Stuck with a dark floor you can't change? Layer a light rug over it. Instant lift. It's all about choosing finishes that brighten up, not weigh down, the room. And just like that, your no-window problem isn't really a problem anymore. Windowless rooms might not give you a view, but they do give you a challenge. And that's where the magic happens. These clever design moves can turn any space, yes, even the darkest corner, into something unexpectedly beautiful. Dreamy basement bedrooms, bold little bathrooms, or kitchens tucked away from natural light, every space has the potential to shine with the right design choices. Got a windowless space you've transformed, or still figuring out? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear your tricks or help solve the puzzle. And hey, if design that makes sense is your thing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because this is just the beginning.